Hello, this is Sarah Reed, and I'm a digital learning specialist in the Fort Worth Independent School District. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a link from a Google file and make it a forcible copy. What that means is you will be giving them a link to a copy of the file that you have. So right now, if I go up and I've got my file open, I'm going to go over here to share, and right now it is set to private. Before I do that, I need to go ahead and name this. So I'm going to call it test because I have to make sure that it's named correctly. And then down here at the bottom, it says restricted. I need to change this and change it to Fort Worth ISD or anyone with a link if I'm trying to give it to somebody outside of the Fort Worth ISD. So I'm going to go ahead and choose anyone with a link. Now, currently, if I give this link to anyone, they will only be able to view it. And a lot of times people will want to use the copy for their own use. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link, and then I'm going to go to a new tab, and I'm going to paste that link up at the top on my address bar. Now, I'm not going to press enter. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the end of the URL right after the /, and I'm going to take edit and everything off of it off. I'm going to delete that off. And then I'm going to replace it with the word copy. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And if I gave this to someone else to open up, let's say I just emailed it to them, I could do that. And what would happen is when they paste this in, it would actually go and it would force them to make a copy of the particular file. So right now, if I press copy, it's going to do this. Would you like to make a copy of the test file? So that's what we're wanting to do. Now, if you wanted to make this a link in some sort of presentation and force the copy from the presentation, then what you'll need to do is, for instance, in a Google slide, I'm going to say, please click here for the copy. And I'm going to say, whenever they click on here, I'm going to make a link for this. And I'm going to paste that URL with the copy at the end on that link. I'm going to hit apply. And so now what will happen is if you give them this presentation and they click on this link, it's going to open a new tab and force them to make the copy.